Okay, I need this and those. Can't forget this. Ooh. Today we're talking smart energy summer cooking. I'm about to get a crash course in all things barbecue from the grill masters at Butcher's Block Restaurant in Burnaby. I'm psyched. I'm hoping they can show me the way forward when it comes to becoming a grill master myself.
If it's on my plate, best believe it's getting paid. I'm ballin' like I'm Kobe 33 before the 8.
So today I'm gonna get a course in how to become a true grill master.
So we're gonna start with a full Packers brisket. Brisket's pretty easy. Like as you see, cut a few pieces off, and then we go straight to the rub. Liberally put it on both sides. After you finish the brisket, put aside, and it takes about 18 hours in a smoker.
18 hours.
At 225 degrees Fahrenheit.
Wow. What's your number one tip?
Don't rush it. Slow and low. Don't put your meat directly on high heat right away. All right, so yeah, now Mustafa's gonna show you how to do ribs.
Okay, bring it on.
One of the things about ribs is you've got a layer of silver skin on the back that needs to be removed. The easiest way is to use the back of the spoon, put it on the back, pull the skin backwards, all the way off. You grab your rub and you just shake it evenly, even distribution, both sides.
Now, next step, this goes to the smoker.
In the smoker, we put it in for an hour for it to get as much smoke as possible, and then we wrap it in with the stock in aluminum foil for another 2 hours, kind of to tenderize the meat and make it fall off the bone.
It's taste test time. Look at those grill marks. Here we go. Oh yes. Amazing.
Your fries? Well, you gotta do it right?
Okay, I'm back from Butcher's Block Barbecue. I'm armed with some great grilling tips. I'm gonna take what they taught me and apply it to my own Smart Energy seafood feast. Cue cool opening graphic for Dave's cooking show. So first up, we're gonna do some delicious salmon. I'm gonna whip up a quick marinade. Just whisk that together. Drop your lovely spring salmon fillet, and you're good to refrigerate for 30 minutes to an hour. That looks nice. There we go. Now we're gonna make a nice garlic rub for our prawn and scallop skewers, which will also be going on the electric barbecue. We'll mix that around. It might not look good, but it's gonna taste amazing. Mix that around. All the colors of the rainbow, it's beautiful. My electric grill's all preheated. I'm ready to go. Let's do this. Now the great thing about cooking outside, you avoid heating up the house during the summer months. Plus, it's really fun. Oh. Love that Smart Energy sizzle. Now, with an electric grill, you want to make sure to keep it closed. It works more like a convection oven. My salmon's looking good. I'm gonna pop some of my skewers on. Cut to professional, glamorous plate shot. Smart Energy Seafood Feast. You know, we should do Smart Energy cooking shows all the time. Sufficiently delicious. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy staycation.